How to rejuvenate, greyed out black plastic trims. Many black plastic car trims don't seem to be made with ultraviolet light protection and often turn grey over time as the sun's UV rays penetrate the plastic, degrading the surface and discolouring it, as you can see here in this recently removed bumper. If you look at the end of the bumper here, you can see where I've done the first stage of this process already, which to me already looks almost brand new. But you need to apply this second stage or it will just turn grey again. For the first part, it involves using a decorator's heat gun, the type that's used for stripping paint off skirting boards and such like. Gently move the heat gun across the surface in gentle light waving motions, similar to that of using a spray can, until it just starts to blacken up, and then ease the gun over the next grey part until you get a uniform colour. Being careful all the time not to give too much heat in one place and not to go over onto the paintwork, causing it to blister. Take your time and little by little all the trim will turn black again. You don't need to do this in one continuous action, so if you feel like you're losing control of the gun, just pull away and then go back to it later. Once you've gone over all the trim and you're happy with it, then you need to apply the second stage, which helps to protect it from further sun damage. You can of course use specific car trim restorers, which work fine, but I'm going to use a much cheaper product that I'm confident will work just as well, as I've used a similar product on my motorcycle wing mirrors almost 10 months ago to great effect and still look pretty good. So only time will tell. I'm not making any fanciful claims here, but it's just something that I'm using and believe it to be pretty good. But it'll be interesting to see how well it'll work over a long period of time. Compared with other products that often say that they need to reapply those over time anyway. So I'm willing to give it a go, as the immediate results look pretty promising. Thank you for watching.